Hello. This video aims to provide some clarifications regarding the new financial year creation and management. As we all know, in India, the financial year is said to be from April 1st to March 31st. Similarly, in most of the Middle East countries, it will be from January 1st to December 31st. There also, this scenario applies. If we need to make some entries from January 1st or from April 1st, we should create a new financial year. Here in this video, we are taking the example as India. So, Middle East clients, please consider it as it as January instead of April and December instead of March. Okay. Therefore, if we intend to start our accounting entries from April 1st, then it would be feasible only if we create a new financial year. The software or financial year that we are currently using will be available until March 31st. Hence, it's imperative to ensure whether the software will still be available for use or it will be available for the new financial year. Once we have created a new financial year, all the entries from all the balances from old financial year will be available only in new financial year if we transfer the opening balances. That means once we created a new financial year, all the entries from old financial year will be available only in the previous financial year as well. Only the entries in new financial year will be available in new financial year. But the opening balances will be there in new financial year. Just like that, we can transfer the closing balances of the new financial year to the opening balances of new financial year in Traventry. How we create a new financial year and transfer balances, what to pay attention to when we're creating a new financial year activity and transferring balances. All these things we aim to explain this in this video. You itself can perform such actions yourself in Traventry. This option is available only to admin users. When the admin user need to pay attention to these, if another user has not logged in this time when you are performing these operations. To do this, the main thing is to perform two steps. First one is creating a financial year and the second one is transferring the opening balances. Before doing this, we can remove all the unwanted ledgers from the masters like customers, suppliers, agents, etc. This can increase the software's performance as well and make it easier to do this. For doing this, you can see in masters, you will see an option called financial year at the bottom here. In that you can see remove unwanted ledgers option. Just click on this remove option and select whether it is customer or supplier or agents, etc. It will take some time to do that. The time taken will depends upon the number of customers you have. After checking each customer, it will be removed only if there have no transactions or no opening balances. Then, after doing this process, the next step is to create the financial year. You can see a financial year option there and a new button there. New is to create the financial year and transfer OB to transfer all the balances to new financial year. First, now we are creating a financial year here. Just clicking on this new button and confirm it there, then it will creating a new financial year. It should take a while to validate. Please don't go back or refresh or close this tab while doing this operation. By creating a new financial year, all the ledgers from old financial year will automatically come into new financial year, but there will be no opening balances by default. All will be zero. If you want to create a financial year, you don't have to do it at any time. You will start 2 days before the financial year. That is you can create the financial year only on March 29th or 30 or after that. After that, any time you can create the financial year. After creating the financial year, the next step is to transfer the balances. There can be some confusions about this balance transfer. Once the financial year is created, I already told you the balance will be zero. If you prefer not to transfer the balances, you can continue without transferring the balances with new financial entries, no issues. Now, if you want to manually put the opening balances, you can go to the customer list or supplier list or general list in masters and continue to put the opening balances manually, and after that there is no problem. But if sometimes later you transfer all the opening balances to new financial year, then the opening balances you have entered manually will be updated as the new balances. That is the balance at the time of transfer will applicable there. Now the financial year creation is almost completed. In the right top most you can see the financial year is 2024-25. Okay. Then the opening balances that you have entered manually will be updated as the new balances, whether the time of transferring the balances. I already told you. That means it's always better to transfer the opening balances after all the old entries are almost finished. Then what is likely to be confusion is that we have transferred the balances, and after that if we want to do any editing or create any transaction in the old financial year, then what will we do? There is no problem. After switching to old financial year, we can do all the necessary editing there or create all the transactions there. After that, you just need to transfer the opening balances one more time. You can do the transfer as many times as you want. After transferring the balances, you can edit the opening balances of the new financial year if you want, no problem. But if you do transfer sometimes later, then that balances will be automatically updated. To switch to new previous financial year, in right top you can see your company name, then where the financial year available will be shown there. And clicking on this financial year you want, that means click on the just old financial year there. Then now it's switched to the previous financial year. To transfer the opening balances, you can see transfer OB button along with this new button in this financial year feature. Just clicking on this transfer OB and click on this confirm, all the balances will be transferred to new financial year now. This option you can use as many times as you want. Later, whatever balances are there will be updated as the opening balances of new financial year. Now, one more query. If you only want to transfer the balances of customers as opening balances, or if you want to transfer balances of some ledgers only, then it is not possible. If you want to transfer the balances, all the ledgers will be transferred together. Then you need to make new entries for the financial year after switching to new financial year. That's all about the financial year related matters. If you have any clarifications regarding this, you can contact us. Thank you.